Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the LERWAY mountain bike seat. It's an MTB seat, yeah. It's a gear bicycle seat, and this bicycle seat is waterproof. It is comfortable for not only mountain bikes, okay? Of course not, because it's good for road bikes. It's a nice saddle with memory foam, a padded replacement for road bikes, trekking bikes, exercise bicycles with rain cover and branch. That's awesome because the design looks really cool. I like that kind of design of a bicycle seat, really. Here's my old one. Let's replace that with that new comfortable bike seat. It's really easy to remove it from my old host using the wrench, which is included, and a ratchet, 13 millimeter. And then you can see it cost you only 20 seconds, nearly 20 seconds, and you removed your old seat. Then it's time to get the new in position, or you have to prepare the new one by removing the holding system first. Of course, maybe here you can look at my video how to do that, or you make it step by step at home and make from each step a little photo, because sometimes this holding system comes with over 5 parts and they have to get back in position on the new seat. But you can see this you can handle too easily. Then it's ready and you can attach it to your bike and have a new seat. This is padded with high quality gear inside the bike seat and paired with air foam. Their inner anatomically supportive instruction has made this a super comfortable bike seat. This bicycle seat can perfectly relieve the pressure on our soft tissues and distribute the pressure from our back across the surface of the bicycle seat, and it will prevent the sit bones from feeling bruised. And consider a new better bike saddle replacement for the next season. This comfy bike saddle can help us with that. You can adjust it easily if you are going to attach it on. You can you should make it in a flat line. That is, if you are sitting up a little bit more up, then you make a flat line. And maybe it is a little bit tilt forward. So if you are going to a sporty seat position, taking full account of muscle group of the cyclist anatomy, the gear bike seat is uniquely designed with a full cutout for us to open up our hip angle and engage your most powerful muscle groups in a wide range of motion. Due to its ventilation channel, this mountain bike seat keeps us nether regions from getting too sweaty and allows us to paddle longer with cool and pressure riding experience. The oval-shaped stainless steel rails of that road bike seat are designed to provide extra durability and stiffness, as well as soak up a bit more road chatter. Completely sealed PU leather of the track bike seat features a water-resistant performance and prevent excessive wear. And this package included a mounting wrench and a rain cover. It takes less than 2 minutes to install the mountain bike seat easily. As you can see in that video, it's really easy. You can perform this at home too. The bike saddle for man and woman and others offers a comfortable cycling support, and it's lightweight. Strong trails are suitable for any seat post. With this bike seat, we can use it as our road bike seat mountain bike seat, BMX bike seat, or commuter bike seat. Just under 2 minutes simple installation. Its compatibility applies to most type of bikes. Because the most bikes out there have 2 rails under it and you can attach it there. We have comfort and it's soft. Ventilation system designed, a waterproof PU leather, and durable and safe. With special airflow system and a center cutout design, the saddles aid the airflow for relief and increased ventilation, which keeps our private parts to stay cool and dry. And shock absorbing, elastomers, and memory foam molded into the bike saddle base create the effect of springs. Waterproof and sunscreen, both is possible with that cover. It's a universal mounting system. It's a premium seat post, a normal seat post, as you like. You can attach it there for nearly all kind of bikes out there. I think so. This is the awesome LERWAY mountain bike seat. It's a Geel bicycle seat. It's waterproof. It's comfortable. It's for road bikes. It's for road bike saddle memory foam, padded replacement for road bikes, trekking bikes, exercise bikes, cycles with rain cover and wrench on top. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.